Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to back up chat history inline. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, tap on Line app. So here you can see this kind of interface. Here go to this icon and now tap on chat history backup. Now again tap on backup now. So here you need to set up your backup pin. Once you type in your pin, confirm again and tap on this icon. And here tap on use anyway, or if you want to change your pin, tap on change pin. Otherwise tap on use anyway. So it starts backing up. So this is how you can back up your chat history. That is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.